what it is.
I knew what we're meant to do. But it says our train, isn't it?
Yeah. You just find the seat. That's one thing. I think it was that direct.
Welcome to this service for Broxbourne. We will be calling at Tottenham Hale, Cheshunt and Broxbourne. The next stop will be Tottenham Hale. Change for... If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted. Seriously? Change for...
Any delays? Ben?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Welcome to this service for Broxbourne. We will be calling at Cheshunt and Broxbourne. The next stop will be Cheshunt. We are now approaching Cheshunt.
Happening.
To this service for Broxbourne, we will be calling at Broxbourne. Will be Broxbourne. terminate here. All change, please.
Did you drop your ticket?
Oh yeah.
Did you? It might have been USB. Would you say it was?
Might have to stay for a few weeks.
Any cheap points round about this time?